So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, then type hp spectre x360 space 14, then hit enter. Now you can see the select operating system, and then click to submit. Scroll down, find out operate driver of network. So you can see this is a Bluetooth, this is Bluetooth and this is Wi-Fi driver. So you can see which is latest. So click to download only Wi-Fi driver just. Then after completed, just single click to open the setup. Then yes, VLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. Then next, I accept, next. Oh, already is completed. Then restart your system. Thank you.